For over 50 years, the club at Rolling Hills has been nestled at the base of the Rocky Mountains just outside of Denver in Golden, Colorado, and has had a storied past in the tennis community. This case study will show the most unique project SES Lighting has ever accomplished in providing world-class lighting for a site that had extremely difficult access and challenging terrain for its outdoor tennis courts. We affectionately call it the biggest, smallest project we have ever encountered, where we retrofitted lighting on existing courts and installed new structures and lighting on this four-court complex. Because of the inability to get equipment onto the lower courts, we had to employ different construction techniques to get the electrical, structural, and lighting fixtures in place. The planning for this project took several months because of the challenging terrain. Since the soil is full of large rocks, it was impossible to trench conduit and wire from the nearest electrical service located at the indoor tennis bubbles. We utilized the directional boring method, going deep underground to get to the outdoor courts. Digging the foundations was another challenge. We couldn't feasibly get heavy equipment to the pole locations to dig these foundations. We used a hydrovac method to dig the holes for the pole foundations. It's essentially like a giant water pick for digging holes. Once the foundation holes were complete, we utilized an industrial-sized crane to lift the precast concrete foundations and pole structures into place, and also the equipment to install the light fixtures. Within 3 days, we were able to complete this challenging part of the project. SES Lighting provided state-of-the-art lighting controls for the project that provided automated features, like schedules to turn lights on or off automatically and to adjust the brightness levels for the facility. One of the automated features was to provide a welcome scene for the outdoor courts. The main entrance to the club at Rolling Hills is accessed by a main drive that includes driving by the indoor tennis bubbles and the outdoor courts. When there's no play going on, the welcome scene of lights are featured that includes a few lights automatically on at a very low level. This highlights to guests or those that have never seen the facility to draw their attention to this beautiful amenity as they drive towards the clubhouse. When members arrive to play the outdoor courts, they see the illuminated switches. Their functionality may look simple, but also has some very smart features. When they press the on button, the lights fade up to 100% gradually. When they press the off button, the lights return to the welcome scene, and a second press will turn all the lights off. These great smart features for these switches include a schedule, so that the switches do not function in the middle of the day or the middle of the night. Now, where the rubber really meets the road for USTA Class 2 lighting is the proper uniformity and brightness throughout all the playing surfaces of these courts. And with a fixture height at 30 feet, the final outcome is that the club at Rolling Hills has world-class USTA rated lighting with excellent uniformity and no glare for the players. Highly skilled competitive players have commented that this is the best lighting in the state. While all projects are not the same or this complex, SES Lighting is able to overcome any challenges with your facility. For more information, contact us through our website at tennisled.com. And thank you for watching.